Hey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make McMuffins, and specifically sausage McMuffin. This was actually one of my favorite meals when I was working the early morning shift at McDonald's. So what you want to do is get 6 breakfast pork patties, or literally sausage burgers, like patties, and you just want to open it. And I'm just showing you what it looks like inside, and then you just want to put on like some aluminum foil. Make sure that you sprinkle your aluminum foil with some oil. I'm just using some rapeseed oil. I'm just going to sprinkle on there real quick just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of that. And I'm just showing you guys the bottom real quick. That's what I'm using. And then what you want to do is just put your patties on top of them. I don't know why it's taking me so long. Ooh, okay. So yeah, and just to give you a little context here, this was my favorite thing to eat from McDonald's. Where's the other one? Hey. Oh, okay. This was my favorite thing to eat from McDonald's. I just could eat every day. In fact, I ate it today and yesterday. Oh, money be going. So you just want to put that in the oven. And yeah, you just want to put that in the oven. And what I'm going to do real quick is just add a little bit more oil on the top, spray a little bit more. And I'm also just going to add some seasoning. I'm going to be adding black pepper and salt just to make sure that it's just not too much. This is not the kind of dish that you want to be putting all the seasonings on top of. Like, it's just simple. Really, really simple. But yeah, like I was saying, McMuffin is my favorite meal. I've probably said that 10 times, but if anybody ever wants to get me McDonald's, that's what you need to get me. But I don't like hash browns. I really hate hash browns. Do you like hash browns? Because I don't. I always swap them for like fruit bags. But anyways, I did say don't add too much seasoning and I'm out here. But you just want to add the layer. I just added a bit of mixed herbs. Don't really need to. Honestly, this is not the kind of dish where you need to add too much. But yeah, and then you just want to put that in the oven for it to cook. I would say at least 15 minutes on both sides. Then you want to get your toasting muffins. This packet was playing with me. This packet was not trying to open. Oh my goodness. So you just want to get your bread out, and then you just want to get a fork, and with the fork you just want to poke in the middle. That is the best way to just open it, and it's even on all the sides, because sometimes you open it with your hands and it's just, yeah, the bread is falling apart. So you just want to do that with all your breads. Poke it out with each and every one of them. But really, this is the best way to just open it and see that you have equal sides to everything. And it takes you literally 20 seconds. So you just want to make sure you keep doing it. And while we're talking about it, I hope you guys have listened to the podcast about working in McDonald's. If you haven't, you can check that out on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and etc. I'm just gonna put some little bit of oil as well on the thingy so that the bread doesn't stick. Or you can put butter or whatever you like, really. And then I'm putting the bread on top of there. This is probably the part where I mixed up the bread. Lol. And then you want to put that in the oven. I'm also going to put some salted butter in a cup, because I remember we used to have melted butter, and then you want to melt it. But I'm not going to melt it now. I'm going to wait till the bread is cooked. And I got British salted butter. Probably got it from Lidl. And I don't really know. I just put a little bit in there. Didn't really measure it. And now, if you're like me and you do not have anything to get the egg right, I'm gonna show you the best way to do that. So you want to do is spray some oil in a cup, a circle cup like that. Literally, I'm showing you how to make the egg as best as you can. Then you want to break an egg and you want to put that egg in the cup. Literally, that's all you're doing. And what you want to do is put the egg in the microwave for like 45 seconds. That's literally it. Nothing more, nothing less. And then you want to get back to your butter, and you want to put that butter finally and melt it. And then your bread should be able to come out. You have your bread, and you just want to sprinkle that salted butter that you just melted. As you can see, it's hot. Want to get one of these. You just want to put that butter on top of that. Put your butter. To be honest, you can do however much you want. It's been so long, so I don't even remember what it's like to cook a McMuffin, like how much butter we used to put. And then you want to put your single-handed cheese on top of one of the. They looked the same. I felt like I confused the bread. I probably did, but anyways, you want to put your your cheese on one of them, and then you want to start putting your cooked sausage, and then your egg should come out and look like this. And literally look at the heat. Ooh. And you just put your egg on top, and then you put your bread on top, and you got yourself an egg McMuffin, literally. And then you want to take a bite to see how it tastes and look in it, because it's all about the taste. So take a bite, bring it back now, and as you can see, the inside of the egg is thoroughly cooked nicely, so nicely. And yeah, that is how you make your egg McMuffin. I tried to show you guys on the plate as well, so you could have a closer look. And it tasted really good. I would definitely say that it tasted similarly. Oh, okay, now I cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Oh my lord. So as you can say, as I was saying, you want to make sure it tasted similarly to what I was used to eating at McDonald's. And I've also tried to make a double, but I couldn't remember. I promise you guys, I couldn't remember if we put the egg in the middle and then another sausage on top, or if we just put both sausage at the same time. It's been so long. It's been like 2 years since I've worked there. So I just put the egg on top with a new egg that I put in the microwave, and I put that on top. And that is how you make a sausage McMuffin. You heard? You feel me? Alright. Say nothing. I just added honey just to make it look good. But if you like that, you can watch other videos and subscribe to my channel. And you can listen to my podcast, the Everything and Anything Show, on Spotify, Apple or Anchor.